All right, guys. Welcome to this live session here with your host, Trade AFX. So, as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex indices and metal markets. Hope everyone have a great Monday morning. It's a new week, new opportunities, as always. So, glad that you're here on this live. So, let's get on to it. I'm just going to, as we do, we're going to be looking at the news calendar and see what's going on. All right. So I just saw that I did put the session for London, but it was for Wednesday, and not for today. So I just removed it. It's going to be for Wednesday. So the schedule for this week here is today, New York session. Then tomorrow I'll be off because today I have an appointment at the doctor's for my eyes. So I may have an injection in my eye. So that's why tomorrow I need to have a day off, and we'll reconvene on Wednesday. Wednesday, London, New York will be here, and Thursday, Friday will be New York. All right, so that's the schedule for this week. Perfect. So, in regards to the news events here for today, we had at 8. We don't have any red folders here. We did have some German WPI month-to-month news that was really negative, and we'll look at the charts here on that. And other than that, pretty smooth day here overall. So in regards to this week, if we look at the forecast for this week, we do have a lot of news here on tomorrow for US. So we have core CPI and core rate retail sales. So a lot of news tomorrow. And also on Wednesday, we have Chairman Powell here, that will be speaking here around 2, as you can see. We have a federal fund rate. So that will be really important here to look to see exactly the cut rate. We're already expecting a cut rate here of a quarter of a percent. So we may have at least that or even more. We'll see. But we're expecting to have rate cuts. So if we have that, the market will start to go higher and have some good momentum here overall. All right. Hey, Leon, hope you have a great day. So yeah, that's pretty much it on that. So let me open this. I'm just gonna check. So that's pretty much the overall here in regards to the rate. So I'm going to pull up the alert app. So if you're the first time seeing the alert app here, I'm just gonna pull it up here in a few seconds. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm loading here. I didn't open it yet. So the alert app is an actual TradingView alert app that gives you actually entries here. So trade ideas in the market in regards to the institutional levels in the market. And I'm going to show you that right now. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So this is the trading app. So the TV alert app. So this is an app that I created here. Took me many months to create that, but it's done. So basically, what you're seeing here is actual alerts for a trade idea. So for buy sells, and what's good with that is that it'll give you the actual time that the entry came in, the actual price, and the actual symbol, right? And it will speak in the background. So I'll give you an example here. All right, so When you get an alert here, you're gonna receive, you're gonna hear the actual alert from the AI, and and I give all of the details on how to set it up here on my Discord. And if you want to have access to that, you need to be on a Discord group. So make sure to sign up on basically first go on my YouTube channel, and there will be an actual form that you have to fill out to see exactly it's going to be a good fit to work with me. And when you set up the criteria here, you're going to have access to that and other type of instrument tools that I created here. So this is one of the tools here that's pretty good. The other one will be in the actual trading view. Account. So what you're seeing here, this is my Nova indicator. So it's an actual trend indicator to give you the trend in the market. So for example, if we look at the Dow Jones right now, the Dow Jones is bullish here since around 2 o'clock. So since London, it started to go bullish. But as you can see, Friday, we did had a sell setup here that was called out with the TV alert app. So we had a sell that was good, and also on Thursday we had a buy on US30 that was good too. All right. So right now that means that for this session here, we should be looking for bullishness here on US30, and that indicator here works on any market. So for example, if I go on GU. As you can see, GU is bullish here since Friday, and the momentum is still going up. So at London, you were expecting to go long, and if you have any setup here on London with your own analysis and all that, anything like that, it will provide you the right direction here in the market. All right. So same thing for if I go on gold or even DXY. If we go on DXY, it will work too. So as you can see, the XY is bearish. So we are a small bullish here and then started to go bearish. So overall it was bearish here since Friday. So we had a bearishness here, a small pullback in the upside, and then started to sell off. All right. So, and lastly, I'm gonna look at gold. So gold is bullish here since Sunday. Okay. So this is also one of the indicators here that I created here. The other one is fair value gap. So it's the FVG edge. So that will give you exactly the fair value gaps here in the market automatically. So right now we're looking at the 1 hour fair value gaps, and that will give you some good indication here of what to expect if the price goes in towards those fair value gaps here. We should have an impulsion here in the upside or the downside, depending if it's a sell, bullish or bearish fair value gap. If I load, I'm just gonna load any other market. So UK 100, as you could see, for example, here that was a bearish fair value gap that was validated here. Why? Because price went to it here and started to sell off. All right. Same thing here. You had a bullish one, went here, started to go up. Okay, so pretty simple to use. And finally, you have also another indicator here. This is the EMX AI. So this is one of my first indicator that I created, and this is the way that I was trading originally when I started being profitable here in the market. Is the average directional index, so ADX, with VWAP, the volume weighted average price, included with the POC, so the point of control. So there's a lot of terms that you may not know, that most institutional trader use. Okay, so those are institutional high grade indicators that is used. So when everything is aligned, especially with the ADX, you're gonna get an entry here, for example, for a buy. And what's good with that is that it will give you TP zones, the first take profit level 3, and if it goes higher, it will give you the next level, so on and so forth. Okay, and as you could see, this TP went to TP 13. Okay, so that was a 1 to 13 risk to reward. All right, so that's pretty much it on that indicator. Perfect. So we'll wait for market to open in a couple of minutes. So we have 2 minutes before market open. So we're gonna be on NASDAQ as always for the market open. So at New York, the alert that we should be receiving is US30, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell 2000, and gold. Okay, so basically you have 5 alerts that we're going to be receiving from the TV alert app. All right, so we're going to wait for it and see exactly how it goes. But I will position myself to be on the NASDAQ and opening Nova. So currently we're in a bullish sentiment here on the 50-minute chart, and all of the alerts that we're receiving are off of the 50-minute chart, guys. All right, just to be aware. And what I'm showing you guys is this is for educational purposes only. So make sure if you're taking any position, it's at your own risk. You just need to analyze your trade before taking a decision, as always. All right. So if there's any questions, it's the time, guys. Put them in the chat. But it's a chill Monday. But tomorrow we should have a lot of news. Like I said, market should be moving a lot this week. So be careful. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to be eating some raspberries and wait. So it is 9:30. So market just opened. So let's say you were trading the Nova. Always trade with the trend. All right. So if Nova was giving you a buy before the market opened, you should be in a buy trend, taking a buy. But I always wait for the market to open before taking a position, because you may have some manipulation here. So you may have a continuation in the upside or a manipulation and start to go down. Okay. So based off of Nova, to have a confirmation that the price will go short, is it needs to break out of that trend, that bullish trend here. All right. If not, if it's too far like that, you should be going with a continuation here in the upside. And right now, that's what we're having here. We have NASDAQ as a buy at the market open.
Buy US30 at price 40.
And we just got a US30.
80.7 on 15M time frame at time 9 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. Buy US30 at price 40.
US30 buy.
180.7 on
so make sure to look at it carefully, guys.
Buy US30 at price 45,800.
So it may start to reverse and going down.
9 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. Buy US30 at price 45,880.7 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. Buy US30 at price 45,880.7 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds.
Alright, so we're at the US30 buy. Like I said, guys, be careful. It's only Monday. We may have some manipulation here.
Buy RTY at price 2,406.
So we have Russell 2000. That is a buy.
33 minutes and 25 seconds. Buy RTY at price 2,406.4 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 33 minutes and 25 seconds. Buy RTY at price 2,406.4 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 33 minutes and 25 seconds. Buy RTY at price 2,400.
So Russell 2000 and US30.
Time 9 hours 33 minutes and 25 seconds.
Bullish.
Buy RTY at price 2,406.4 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 33 minutes and 25 seconds.
So usually you're going to have a manipulation in the downside here if you want to have a bullish momentum. For example, here we're looking at the US30. We do have a fair value gap for sure at the upside, so we could open the fair value gap indicator here. So price is still looking bearish here overall. All right, so as you can see, there was some consolidation here. When it started to go on a bullish trend here, the only way to have the confirmation that it was going to go bullish here, if it wants to continue in the upside, is that it needs to take out some liquidity at the bottom here. So we had a lot of liquidity at the bottom here because we had some consolidation and no breakout was given yet. All right. So as long as the price is keeping in the upside and it closed bullish, maybe it closed as a pin bar, we may start to go reverse going up. That will confirm the continuation here on the upside. So the only way to confirm a bearishness is that the price goes below the trend. So we have a NASDAQ buy that just came in. So for now, we have US30, Russell 2000, and NASDAQ as a buy. So make sure, like I said, guys, make sure to look at your charts, see exactly if it makes sense to take those trades if you want to take them. But take the risk here in accordingly.
Buy US100 at price 24,186.4 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 36 minutes and 7 seconds. Buy US100 at price 24,100.
So we'll go on US100
on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 36 minutes and 7 seconds.
So US NASDAQ here bullish. So the reason why we get that entry right now is that we have a confirmation with the trend that is a bullish trend, and the second confirmation is that we have institutional bullishness, institutional liquidity that came in the market.
Sell US30 at price 45,838.8 on 15 M time frame at time 9 hours 37 minutes and 32 seconds. Sell US
So
30
right now we got
price
US30 going down.
38.8 on 15 M time frame and time.
Like I said, if it was
37
going
minutes
to
and
go
32 seconds.
bullish,
Sell
it
US
needed to
30 and price
close
45,838.8 on
to
15 M
be
time frame and time 9 hours
above
37
the
minutes
trend.
and 32 seconds. Sell US 30
So the
and
trend
price
is going down right now. So we're
45,838.8
gonna wait.
on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 37 minutes and 32 seconds. Sell US 30 at price 45,838.8 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 37 minutes and 32 seconds.
So Russell is going down too. All right. So Russell should be looking for a sell.
US 500 at price 6,608.9 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and.
So we got S&P 500 for a buy.
US 500 at price 6,608.9.
Make sure to look at the Russell. Russell should be switching for a bearish setup.
500 at price 6,608.9 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and 34 seconds. Buy US 500.
So you see here US 500
on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 39
is currently
minutes
bullish
and
here.
34 seconds. Buy US 500 at price 6,608.9 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 39 minutes and 34 seconds.
Going to see if I'm able to show you the support and resistance indicator, because this is in my just gonna test. I'm seeing if I'm able to show you that. If not,
Sell RTY at price 2,000.
yeah. So Russell is a sell right now.
Time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 28 seconds. Sell RTY price 2,400.3 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 28 seconds.
All right, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna see if I'm able to do what I want to do right now.
9 hours 41 minutes and 28 seconds. Sell RTY at price 2,400.3 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 28 seconds.
If it doesn't work,
sell RTY at price 2,400.3 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 28 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 23,673.1 on 15 M.
So we have German 40 as a sell.
1 minutes and 39 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 23,673.
It won't be long, guys. I'm just gonna
time frame and time 9 hours hours 41 minutes and 39 seconds.
Make sure that this is
Sell the 40
working
at price
properly.
23,673.1 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 39 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 23,673.1 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 39 seconds. Sell the 40 at price 23,673.1 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 41 minutes and 39 seconds.
All right, so is it?
Buy gold at price 3,663 on
So
15
I have gold buy.
time 9 hours 42 minutes and 52 seconds. Buy gold price 3,663 on 15 M time frame and time 9 hours 42 minutes and 52 seconds. Buy gold at price 3,663 on 15 M time frame and time.
So we should be Russell. It should be a sell. We have buy on a gold. US30 is US500 is a buy. NASDAQ is a buy. So what you're seeing right now is one of the other indicators that I created here is support and resistance edge TM. So it's the trade manager / indicator. So that's providing you with the support and resistance lines off of higher time frame. So currently we're looking at the 50-minute time frame, and the lines that you're seeing here, the red and the blue lines, those are the red one are the resistance lines, and the blue ones are the support lines. All right. So you see a lot of lines right now, but it's really easy to understand. So basically, if you're taking a trade with that trade manager, you will place the support, the stop loss, and the take profit based off of previous levels. Okay, and if you're seeing here, there's a section here that you see levels. It's called levels, and you just have to select the stop loss. Right now, it's at the stop loss 2. So this is you're calculating 2 levels above the entry. And the take profit is right now at level 4, so TP4. So that means that it will go towards up to 4 levels below or above, depending exactly if it's a buy or sell. And you're able to place trade directly from the trade manager. So you see here you have buy, sell, and close. And also you could select your lot size right there. Okay, and you have also the levels, the current time frame levels here on the left side. I'm just gonna, because it's on my left screen, so that's why I'm looking at the left side. So you see the current time frame here levels, and you have the high time frame level. So right now it's on that. So if I click on this is the current time frame level. You see you have more lines. So this is the 50-minute levels. Okay. This is the support levels. These are the resistance level on the 15-minute chart. Where right now you're seeing the 1 hour levels here currently. Okay. So I know Leon is using that. So give me a feedback if you're able to. That would be appreciated. But that's pretty much the way that this thing works. All right. Perfect. So let's look at the alerts. So the last alert here was a gold buy. We had a German 40 for sell. All right. Then we had a sell on Russell 2000. We had US 500 for a buy. We have US30 as a sell. Previously, we had a buy here on on Nasdaq, and the first two alerts that we had was buys on Russell 2000 and US30, but the price did reverse and started to go lower. Like I said, we're waiting for manipulation here in the upside to go down. So that's exactly what happened. And if we go on the trading view, so US 500 here, this is where we're at right now. It's bullish. NASDAQ is bullish. Russell 3000. Starting to reverse again. US30 here is starting to reverse. And German is going down right now. All right, so if there's any questions, guys, put them in the chat. Put them in the chat, and let me know what you're looking at right now. So maybe I could analyze the trade the market for you guys. All right, all right. All right, so it's gonna review the trades here. So US30 here, it went to take some liquidity at the bottom here and started to reverse in the upside. So 2000, NASDAQ is flying right now. Let's look at, we had a gold trade, I think, right? Gold was bullish here. Yeah. And UK 100. UK 100 is going down. All right, so it won't be. I'm gonna close out the session here in a couple of minutes, guys. I have to prepare myself to go to the doctor. But if you have any questions, it's the last. You have about 1 to 2 minutes here to ask them. If not, we're gonna close the session. All right, and we'll be back here on Wednesday. So Wednesday should be a pretty important day here for the year in regards to rate cuts. So hopefully we should get some rate cuts here. They'll be announced in a significant amount of rate cuts. So we're gonna close out this session here at the top of the hour, guys. So we still have 5 minutes before our session close. All right, perfect, great. Thank you very much, Leon, for the wishes. So perfect. So we'll close out the session, guys, today. So usually Mondays there's not a lot of things to look at, but sometimes you have some good setup. But for now, Nasdaq, S&P 500 are the winners so far. US30 was a little bit choppy here right now. Normal, but when it goes, it goes. Russell 2000 here is yeah, it's going up here. US30 looking to reverse a little bit, and we had the German 40 here that is bullish, bearish, sorry. And we have gold that was bullish here. All right, guys. That's perfect. So we're gonna close out the session. US30 bearish sell setup. Yeah, exactly. US yeah, it's a sell setup here. But may start to retrace a little bit, but should be going down, but it may start to go up. The reason why is that we do have, let's see here. Is that what I was looking for? No. I was looking at something else. So US 30. Yes, that's what I was looking at. So we may have a retracement here up to 50% of that fair value gap here. So that bearish movement. So if you put a fib from the top to the bottom, we may have a retracement here on the upside. If not, it may start to reverse and continue the downside. So, but overall, it may switch for a buy and start to go up. So, like I said, just be careful for US30. Yeah, so this one is retracing. It may start to close out and to go short, because I think we're in the sell right now on Russell 2000. So we'll wait and see. Wait and see. All right, perfect, guys. So thank you so much for being on this live. We're gonna close it out right now. All right, and we'll be back here on Wednesday morning, London session. So we're gonna have London and New York on Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, New York. So like I said, Wednesday is really important day in the market, especially for the US. So we should have the rate cuts. So that should trigger the altcoin season here if you're trading crypto, and if you're investing in crypto, it should be going up. And we also have ETF for XRP and Dogecoin that will be out, I think, on Wednesday this week. And we have other ETFs that should be out here for October. So for the next 30 days should be really interesting here in the market, guys. Yeah, it's a sell setup on Nova, but like I said, you should look at how the actual level is at right now. So if it wants to go towards this level here on the sell, if it breaks that, we're going to be looking to go long, but we may have a retracement here to go short. So that's what I'm expecting to go short here for now. So everything is looking bearish here overall. So we'll wait and see. All right, guys. So have a great day, and we'll be back here on Wednesday morning London session. All right. So have a great one. Peace.